Okay, let's start at the beginning. My trip started much further north in Istanbul, a city of 1,000 contrasts.
Regarde le chien de rue couvert de neige. Nice to meet you. J'arrive à Istanbul, première fois de ma vie, et il neige déjà. Ciao. Ça, c'est le Kangal qui garde les troupeaux. Je pensais pas rencontrer dans Istanbul, quand même.
Mullet. Ça, c'est kefal?
Yes, we eat
You
it.
want? You eat that?
Yeah.
Ouais. En fait, ils utilisent, on n'a pas des verres. Et le verre à l'intérieur de ces valides. Voilà, c'est énorme.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Et ils préfèrent faire ça que jouer aux jeux vidéo avec les copains.
I'd rather fish. We love fishing, and we get to see the sea. It's beautiful.
Les premiers oiseaux d'Istanbul.
Big ships, ferries, small fishing boats, all crossing the Golden Horn, an estuary in the city. They are heading for the Bosphorus Strait, which links the Black Sea in the north and the Sea of Marmara in the south. It is the border between Europe and Asia. I am on the west coast, and opposite lies the east coast of Turkey. Okay. I'm on the trail of a guy known as Pigeon, a Turk who lives on the rooftops of Istanbul. Pigeon fancying is an ancient tradition in the East. There, you find the first signs of wild pigeon taming, dating back to 3000 BC. I arrive at Pigeon Man's home in the city centre. Aladdin?
Oh, welcome!
I found you.
How are you?
Rémi.
How are you? I'm
Aladdin?
Remy.
I am
I am
Aladdin.
Aladdin.
What's your name?
Remy.
Remy, good
Pleased
to meet you, Remy. Wow.
It's
Yeah.
great here.
Thank
You
you
have
very
a
much.
fantastic view.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Five-star view.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much.
much.
It's
Are
your
all these
pigeons.
pigeons
This
yours?
is our pigeon.
These are our pigeons.
Okay, how many pigeons you have?
do you have?
We have,
We have
almost
about
200.
200
200 tane var değil mi bizde?
They've got
Ils ont 200 pigeons là.
200 pigeons.
Okay.
If you want,
If
I
you
can
want,
show you
I
all
can
of them.
show you.
Yeah, why not?
It's time for their flight.
Ah, c'est l'heure du vol.
They're so happy they're going to get to stretch their
dégourdir les
wings.
ailes.
Pigeons like this
En
have
fait, les
settled
pigeons
here
comme ça, ils
thanks
sont
to the
sédentarisés
breeders,
par
or
l'éleveur,
pigeon fanciers,
par le
as they're
colombophile, comme on
called.
dit. Ils les
They are
élèvent
bred
ici, ils
here
les agrènent,
and
ils ont
given
leur
grain.
nid. Et donc,
They
ils
have
restent
their
ici tout
nests here,
simplement.
so they stay.
Ce sont des pigeons de
These
vol qui ont un
pigeons
vol très
have a very
particulier, qui
special
sont des
flying
culbutes. En fait,
style.
on les appelle les
They
culbutants.
perform somersaults
C'est une
and are
mutation
known as
génétique pour
tumblers.
ça, et c'est la fierté des
It's a
éleveurs.
genetic mutation,
Quand
and they
on
are
lâche
the
ces pigeons,
pride
ben,
and joy of
leur vol,
breeders.
c'est de faire
When
des
these pigeons
loopings.
are released, they loop the loop. Shall I?
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Wow!
We work hard.
We work very
1 hour,
hard
2
and
hours
then
we
spend an
them
hour or
with
two
them.
with the pigeons,
The
watching them
stress,
fly
tired
and
is
listening
gone, you
to
know.
them relaxes
You watch
us.
them, you listen them, you know.
J'aurais jamais cru qu'on pouvait avoir 200 pigeons en ville, quoi, en centre-ville, dans une aussi grosse ville que Istanbul. I wanted to meet animal lovers and keepers and breeders in Istanbul, and here I think I am in the right place.
Welcome. You are in the
You've
right
come to the
address
right
now.
place.
They're everywhere.
I can take you
take you
later
to the pigeon
market, you know.
market. You'll see
Yeah, you
lots
can
of
see
different
there
breeds.
different type of
Okay,
birds.
like that. Every Sunday, a big pigeon market is held below the ramparts of the old town. In keeping with Eastern traditions, the Turks are passionate about pigeons, and yet these birds are at the heart of a dilemma. Despite the fact that pigeon racing is forbidden by the Prophet, pigeons are still being bred for the sheer pleasure of seeing them fly. Over 100 varieties gather here, each more psychedelic than the next.
Pigeons dans un sac
In a
plastique,
plastic bag,
comme les frites.
chips.
Bango,
Okay.
That's a
bango.
bango.
This
It
is
has
zero,
no-
zero mouse.
Ok.
Crazy. Some of these
Oui,
pigeons
là, il y a des pigeons, ils
literally
ont
have
quasiment
no
pas de bec.
beak. In the West,
En
they're
français, on les
known
appelle les
as collared
cravatés.
pigeons.
Ils
Their
sont
beak is
un
so
tellement
small,
petit bec de
thanks
par
to
la
the
sélection
artificial
artificielle qu'on
selection
opère
carried
sur
out
cette
with
race
this breed,
que
that
les
the
parents
parent
peuvent même pas
cannot
nourrir
even
leurs
feed
petits.
their
Donc
young.
on fait
So
élever
the
les
young
petits
are
par des
raised
pigeons qui
by
peuvent
other
les nourrir.
pigeons who
Ils ont une
can
tête
feed them. The
hallucinante.
heads are amazing.
La petite mèche sur le front, c'est une mutation génétique. Les plumes aux pattes également. Et si on veut que la descendance de ce pigeon ait des plumes aux pattes et une coquille, il faudra la coupler probablement avec une femelle qui a les mêmes caractéristiques. Et comme ça, on renforce ses caractères mutants. Ça, c'est le fameux pigeon voyageur, c'est les champions du vol. C'est sur eux qu'on parie, c'est eux qu'on lâche et qui doivent revenir à leur pigeonnier le plus vite possible. On regarde tous les détails du plumage à chaque fois, si les plumes sont en bon état, si ça va faire un bon voilier.
This one costs
Il est
about
beau, hein.
1,000 lira.
That's a good one, yes?
Ah ouais.
Okay. 300 euros
300 euros le pigeon, quand même.
better be a good one.
Il a
Everyone
intérêt à
comes
être
in
bon.
to trade, take photos,
Tout le monde vient
and
négocier,
test the
prendre en
flight of
photo,
any
faire voler les
potential
pigeons qui
purchase.
peuvent
It's an
potentiellement
incredible
acheter.
sight.
C'est vraiment
The Turks are a
impressionnant, quoi,
race of
le
pigeon
peuple des
fancies.
pigeons. C'est
This
délire.
is crazy.
Il y a des boucles
There are
d'oreilles pour les
earrings
pigeons.
for pigeons.
C'est superbe.
That's amazing. We found some in Galatasaray.
On a trouvé les clubs du
That's the
Galatasaray,
football
c'est les
team
clubs
he
de foot
supports.
qu'il supporte
So he
et
wants
il veut les
his
mettre sur ses
pigeons to
pigeons,
wear
donc c'est pas mal.
those. Not bad.
Il y a un peu la même chose pour les chiens qui protègent les troupeaux, il y a la même chose sur les chameaux aussi de combat. Donc il y a vraiment une culture de l'apparat de l'animal domestique. C'est vraiment intéressant. Golden Horn?
Also, we do have
Here in
in some
Turkey,
city,
we are lucky
we have
enough to
this
have lots of animals in
wild
the city,
animal.
but there are more and
We go
more
to
animals
see them
appearing outside
in
the
the
cities too.
wildlife as well.
With the
When this
conflicts in
problem
Iraq,
in Iraq,
Syria, and Libya,
you know,
animals
the animal
are
run
fleeing
from
to
this
Turkey.
city, they pass to Turkey.
You mean when there is a conflict or war in a country, because the animal they
They
move
move because
they
they
move.
move from
It's
wars,
frightening the
the
animals
dangerous
away.
and from the fire.
Okay, they
Right,
escape from
so
the
they run away
violence.
from the violence. There are stray cats and dogs all over the city, and they all look very healthy. The cats are even nicknamed the little sultans of Istanbul. They are fed and housed by locals. This name of cats comes from the legend of the prophet's cat, allegedly saved Muhammad from a sneak attack.
Ouais,
These
petite
are
maison
little
de ça.
houses for cats.
Donc là, il en
They're
fait
like
une niche.
camels. This fatty
Lui, il a du
has got
fromage blanc,
fromage
ton
blanc
père.
in there. I've
Il
heard
disait
that
même
people
que
even take
parfois,
them
les
to
gens
the
les amenaient
vet
chez le
if there's
vétérinaire
something
s'ils avaient un
wrong with
problème.
them.
Et alors?
It's an extraordinary city populated by humans, dogs, cats, fish and birds. But I have come to Turkey for camel wrestling. To think they used to roam the streets of the old Roman town of Constantinople, founded in 330 AD, and the Greek town of Byzantium before it, I'm sure to find a trace. My quest has brought me to Sultanahmet, the most famous neighborhood in the city, home to palaces and mosques. Camels must have left their footprint here. Next stop, Hagia Sophia and the Mosaic Museum.
C'est l'appel à
It's
la
the call
prière.
to prayer. That's
Donc il y a
the
le
muezzin
muezzin
calling.
qui appelle.
We're here in front of the
Là, on est
Blue
devant la
House.
mosquée bleue.
And just
Et
next
là, il y
to
a
it
Basilique
is Hagia
Sainte-Sophie
Sophia.
juste à
It's as if
côté.
the two
Et j'ai l'impression que les
museums
deux
are calling
muezzins
out
se
to one
répondent.
another.
Il a réglé son laïol
To the sound of the museum,
au son des
the
muezzins de la
mosque
mosquée
at
bleue
Hagia
et de
Sophia.
Sainte-Sophie.
This is insane.
En regardant
Gosh,
en marchant,
it's
on a
high
presque
up.
le vertige.
On these famous 7.5-meter wide medallions adorning the columns, the names of Allah, Muhammad, and various sultans are inscribed. And these huge discs are made from camel skin, or rather several skins sewn together. So it would have taken a whole herd of camels to make these 8 medallions.
Ah ouais,
All right,
d'accord.
I get it.
Oui.
This
On
is
prend
the
la mosaïque,
Mosaic
effectivement, il y a des
Museum.
mosaïques
So
partout.
there are mosaics everywhere.
Je cherche ici à Istanbul le lien entre l'homme et l'animal. Et en fait, je vais aller essayer de rencontrer des gens qui ont encore des chameaux dans le sud du pays. Ouais, des chameaux qui font des combats
Like this?
Là, par exemple,
énormes.
Amazing.
vous savez, dans l'histoire de
Historically,
votre pays,
Ouais.
Our country was
notre
on
pays
the Silk
faisait
Route.
partie de la route de la soie.
Ouais.
Alors toujours la
goods
transportation
were
des
carried along the
marchandises
route by
se faisait
camels.
par les chameaux.
Ok. Parce qu'en fait, j'ai entendu parler qu'effectivement, il y avait encore une activité chamelière comme ça qui se passait dans le sud. Vous avez entendu parler de ça, vous, ou pas du tout?
Oui, il y a aussi des combats de chameaux
along the
dans
Aegean coast
la
of
région
Turkey.
égienne de la Turquie.
Donc c'est quoi le
So is that
sud-ouest?
in the southwest?
L'Aegean, c'est-à-dire
It's in the west.
occidental.
By the
Ok.
Aegean
La
Sea.
mer Égéenne.
Okay,
Très bien.
great.
Merci pour
Thank you for
l'explication.
talking to me.
Je vais
You're
continuer
welcome.
I'm
mon
going to
aventure.
continue with my adventure.
Salam alaikum.
So I'm heading south to watch some camel wrestling. The most famous fights take place in Selçuk. The inhabitants of the Aegean coast have cultivated this tradition which they inherited from nomads. It's the pride and joy of the region. Zergul, my contact, is going to find me a camel driver who is planning to go to Selçuk.
T'as pu retrouver quelqu'un comme ça
You
qui
managed to
fait des
find
combats, qui
someone who
pourrait un
does
peu
camel
m'accueillir,
wrestling?
me faire découvrir le...
Oui, c'était un peu compliqué, mais j'ai trouvé quelqu'un.
Ah, excellent.
Oui, il va accueillir, il va vous accueillir.
Attends,
Ouais.
He's going
Il
he's
va
planning to take his
participer
camel to the
avec son
fight.
chameau au
The
combat.
family is
Ils sont
descended from Yorick.
d'origine Yorick.
Trop bien. Parce que moi, je vais pouvoir
And
dormir
I
chez
can
vous.
stay with him?
Et je crois parce qu'il était
Because he's
très,
very-
comment te dire, qu'il était
Enthusiastic.
He seemed
Il
enthusiastic.
était
Please.
content.
Yes,
Tu
he
peux
is
mettre
very
ça comme
pleased.
ça.
You put this on
Donc,
here,
on peut
and
regarder
then you
après.
look like this.
Comme ça. Ok, pour moi, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans ta fortune? Je vois un chameau.
A camel.
Tu vois un chameau?
camel?
Oh là là,
Yes.
ça m'intéresse.
C'est
That's your
semaine,
fortune this
peut-être.
week.
C'est énorme. Ah mais oui,
Yes, look,
Yes.
là c'est la tête.
the head.
Oui,
ça, c'est
c'est
la
la
bosse.
C'est la bosse, oui.
Délire.
Sergul introduces me to her friends, who are all surprised by the purpose of my trip. I tell them I can't wait to head south to see my first camel. The next day, I leave the capital. This is the best place to explain what a wild trip is. My idea is to take advantage of the fact that sometimes civilization comes into contact with nature. As I leave the city, I want to explore that wild, sometimes hostile world. Instead of fearing nature, let's go and play in it. Let's observe it, demystify it, discover it, and admire its riches. I'm crossing the strait which separates Europe from Asia. A long trek through the mountains awaits me. My destination is the city of Bursa, the silk capital of Turkey. Thank you.
Thank you. Galatasaray,
Galatasaray,
forever. Et voilà,
This
un
is a
petit cadeau des
present from
supporters du
Galatasaray
Galatasaray
fans
qui
who
vont
are
jouer
playing
contre
Izmir,
Izmir,
if I've
si j'ai
understood
bien compris.
correctly. Okay, let's go.
C'est
We're climbing up there. He's
Ils vont
taking us
monter là,
up
ils
to
vont
the
monter
ridge.
sur la crête. On
We're
commence à
starting
s'isoler
to
là,
get
c'est pas
away
mal.
from it all,
On commence à accéder à
which
des
is
milieux
great.
reculés.
We're getting
Je
to
vois
the
l'état des
remote
routes d'ailleurs.
parts. The state of the roads is
Énorme.
unbelievable.
Il y a des
There are
bestioles, des
beasts
gros dos
everywhere,
de bêtes
the
qui
backs
sortent de la
of
végétation.
large
Je sais pas si c'est
animals
des
appearing
ânes,
out of vegetation.
des vaches.
They might be donkeys or cows or something like that.
Ok. Faut
Thank
checker le
you.
dalim. Good
Good
luck.
luck.
Yallah.
Yalla.
Par ici.
This
Par là.
way or that way. There.
Faut pas faire
You have
n'importe
to
quoi
be
parce que c'est
careful
des
because
milieux
these
sur
are
lesquels on peut tomber
environments
sur
where
des
you
animaux
might come
sauvages
across
et des
wild
domestiques un
animals
peu
and
rustres.
untamed
Ça
strays.
c'est bon.
This is it.
Tac.
Thank you.
Merci. Et c'est
Here we
parti.
go.
On est où
Where
là?
are we? There's no one here.
Il y a personne ici.
There's
Un
a
chiot qui
puppy
me gueule dessus
barking
là,
at
c'est
me.
énorme.
This is
Déjà un
crazy.
collier de clous toi.
And you've
Voilà.
already got a studded collar.
En général, on pose des
Studded
colliers à
collars
pointe
are worn by
sur les chiens
sheepdogs.
protecteurs de
There are
troupeaux.
several breeds here in
Ils ont
Turkey.
plusieurs races ici en Turquie
They're worn to protect the
pour les
dogs
protéger
from
des
being
morsures des
bitten
loups.
by wolves.
Ça leur fait un petit
The
avantage
studs
s'il y avait
give
un corps
them
à
a
corps.
slight advantage if they get into a fight.
Hello.
Welcome.
Don't sit on that.
Ah, c'est
It's
mouillé.
wet.